Welcome to the benefits of. This channel covers all things health. Today, let's discuss the health benefits of turkey. If you value positive health information and want to enrich your whole body, mind, and spirit with the latest science-backed information, subscribe. Knowledge transcends power when you arm your body with the means to defend itself. In a world rife with pollution, pesticides, and pervasive chemicals, it's unsurprising that we compound our woes with stress. Armed with knowledge, you can improve. Allow us to assist you in cultivating a rich, healthy, and abundant life with the most current science-supported information. Now let's talk turkey. Turkey is a superb source of lean protein, vital for muscle development, repair, and overall bodily functions. A 3-ounce portion of skinless turkey breast contains approximately 26 grams of protein, aiding in metabolism support and satiety maintenance. Furthermore, skinless turkey breast has a lower fat content relative to other meats, establishing it as a favored option for individuals looking to control their weight or cholesterol levels. Turkey provides a variety of vitamins and minerals vital for overall health. B vitamins. Turkey is rich in B-complex vitamins, including B3, niacin, B6, pyridoxine, and B12, which play key roles in energy production, brain health, and the formation of red blood cells. Selenium. This mineral acts as an antioxidant, helping reduce inflammation and boosting immune function. Zinc supports immune health, wound healing, and normal growth. Opting for lean cuts of turkey can decrease the intake of saturated fats, which is advantageous for sustaining healthy cholesterol levels. Turkey is a source of tryptophan, an amino acid that aids in the production of serotonin and also supports blood pressure regulation through vasodilation. Tryptophan, an amino acid found in turkey, aids in the production of serotonin, a neurotransmitter that regulates mood, and melatonin, which encourages restful sleep. Including turkey as part of balanced meals may enhance emotional well-being and improve sleep patterns. Zinc and selenium. These essential minerals boost the immune response by safeguarding cells against oxidative stress and facilitating DNA repair. Glutathione. Precursor, selenium is instrumental in the production of glutathione, a crucial antioxidant for cellular defense mechanisms. Low-calorie, high-protein. Turkey offers a fulfilling meal choice with minimal calories, perfect for those managing their weight. Consuming protein from turkey may help suppress ghrelin, the hormone that triggers hunger, aiding in better portion control and fewer snack cravings. Aids in muscle growth and recovery, high biological value protein. The protein in turkey is easily digestible and contains all essential amino acids, making it highly beneficial for muscle repair and recovery post-exercise. Anti-inflammatory effects. Selenium and tryptophan in turkey may help reduce chronic inflammation, which is associated with diseases like arthritis and heart disease. Potential cancer protection. Selenium's role in antioxidant pathways can lower the risk of oxidative stress-related cancers. Choosing to grill, bake, or steam over frying can help preserve its nutritional value. Serve with a variety of vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats to create a well-rounded meal. Limit the consumption of deli meats and heavily processed turkey products, which are high in sodium and preservatives. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed the information and found it helpful. Remember, the content here is for educational purposes and not a substitute for professional medical advice. Always consult with a healthcare professional before making any major health decisions. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Remember to check the links below for additional resources. Thanks for watching and supporting the benefits of channel. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.